up, trappers? We are back, and I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it is raining. It is raining. It's raining a lot. We're supposed to get quite a bit of rain here the next day or so, so we are kind of on rain delay. So that's what we're waiting on now. I did get a chance, even through all this. I had to go to Walmart. I couldn't hold out. So while I was there, I exchanged some of the things that we had that were bad that I'd gotten. We picked up the other 2 fog lights. Remember, we had one of these bad in the previous video. So hopefully both of these work. We can get both of these installed. But listen. Yeah, it's raining like hell, guys. So this is not going to go get installed in the rain. It's just not happening. We had one of these that were bad, just the little tweeters. So this is the extra set because I just went ahead. I didn't bother with the exchange and stuff at the time. They were cheap, so I just went ahead and picked up another set. But today, since I was going, I went ahead and returned the bad set. And you can just see it's just 200 watt dome tweeters, power acoustics, right off the shelf at Walmart. These are going to go, you'll have to find out because I don't want to tell you right now. You have to watch, find out. But these are going to go in another spot and they should burn your eardrums up. So that'll be cool, something to look forward to. I've been plotting on this project. This is sound activated RGB strip. This actually came from the electronics department at Walmart. It's USB powered. That's intentional. But the strip is standard. You can plug it into any standard RGB controller that's 4-pin, and it'll work with those as long as you have the right side up. So that project's coming soon, but I don't think we're going to do that in the rain either, guys. And then one we definitely can't do in the rain, and I've been holding out on, is this Cowell's chrome fender trim. I went ahead and got the 3/4 inch, so that way it's hella thick. You see, it's for fenders. This should bring out the chrome in the wheels a little bit and make the whole truck look a little nicer. Those projects are coming up, so stay tuned, check that stuff out. But let's give you a look outside. You can see this crap that we're getting. Yeah, guys, let's see. Let's turn the dome light off. If I can here, let's see. Oh yeah, you can see caked up on the windows. It's raining like the Jesus out here. You can see I got the underglow going. The mirror's all done up. Rained up. Windshield's rained up. There's a vehicle you can see. I'm sure you guys can hear it. So we're definitely rained out today, guys. We're gonna end this clip with our rained out. We got a few more projects to come. We're gonna see how things go, guys. Everybody's on quarantine, lockdown. Everything's supposed to be limited. I still want to get an audio test, so that way, man, when these are on, when the bright lights are on, it's real bright in here, guys. But I want to get an audio test of the new subs and the amp. Let you guys get a chance to check that out. And here's one thing for you. I don't know if you remember all the stuff that was hanging from my rear view mirror. It's not here, not because Amos took it down to do my tint or anything like this, but the system back there hit so hard it'd knock the teeth out of the tooth fairy. I'm telling you, it's ungodly. And it doesn't do my mirror any justice. So let's just say that stuff came down real easy for me, guys. So we put this back up here. We got this arranged. We cleaned the truck up a little bit. But the system, but the stereo is definitely banging. I'm telling you, it beats so hard. It's like a drunk stepdad just coming home, just beating. But anyway, guys, that audio clip's to come. A few more projects. And that's going to be it for now, guys. Enjoy your rain. Enjoy your quarantine. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.